Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to apply for your chosen course at Weston College. So to begin, you're going to want to head to the Weston College website. Along the top you're going to see several drop-down options. We're going to choose courses, and then select the top option, which is school leavers. That is then going to take you to our school leavers page. If you scroll down you can see all the course options available. So today I've decided I want to apply for a course in health and social care. That is then going to take you to the health and social care landing page. Here you can read more information about the subject, and if you scroll down you can take a look at all the different courses we have on offer within health and social care. Today I'm going to apply for the Social Care BTEC Extended Diploma. So I'm going to select the button that says click here. And that takes you to the course page with lots more information about the course that you can read through. Everything from what the course involves to how you'll be assessed and what are the entry requirements. Once you've had a read through and decided, yep, this is the course for me, you can simply scroll back to the top. You'll see at the top the level of the course, the start date, the course length, and the campus it is based at and the course code. Next to all of that is the Apply Now button, which we're going to click. So you'll now see that your course has been added down here, just like adding something to your basket when you're online shopping. Now that it's in there, you might decide you also want to apply for another course, which is absolutely fine. So if we do the same again, select courses, scroll down, and select which subject you want. I'm going to pick education and early years this time. Have another look at all the information and scroll down to select the course that you want. I'm going to select the Education and Early Years T-Level this time. So as you can see, the same bar along the top as before with all the information. I'm just going to select the Apply Now button, and as you can see, it's just been added to my basket down there. Once you have all the courses you would like to apply for ready to go, you just need to click the Apply for this course button. This will take you to a new page that will prompt you to either log in or create an account. For our purposes, we want to go ahead and create an account, so click here. So once you're on this page, you're going to need to just fill out all your details, first name, last name, email address, etc., and then create a password and a security question. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click continue. Once all your personal details are filled out, it will then take you to a further details page. Here's where you will fill in sections about equal opportunities and support needs. It's important to declare your needs so that if you should need it, you can be referred for something called an INA, an Initial Needs Assessment. This will determine what support needs to be put in place for you when you come to college. Once that is complete, you will then be taken to a page for consents. This is just where the college is asking you what you can be contacted about and how. So here I am just reading each statement and selecting agree. You might decide you only want to be contacted by email or email and by phone, it's up to you. You will then be asked to review your application. Here you can just double check all the information is correct. Once you're happy, select Submit Application. A notification will then pop up to tell you your application has been successfully submitted. You can then begin to book your interview date and time by simply selecting the time and day that works best for you from the drop-down menu. Click Book and you're all done. You will then receive an email with the date and time for your appointment. Finally, you can keep track of your application by clicking on your homepage button. As you can see, it shows what stage you're at with your application, from submitting all the way to completing your enrolment. Congratulations, you just applied for college.